Buonasera, Italia. We're behind the set at the Sanremo Festival. There's Noemi. Let's catch her up before the show. Noemi! Ciao, ciao!
Come stai?
Sto bene, e tu?
Sto così.
Are you nervous about your performance this evening?
Sì, un poco. It's always a little nerve-wracking getting in front of a live audience when millions of people are counting on you.
Yes, that's true. Did you always enjoy music?
Sì, I was introduced to it at a young age because my father was a guitarist. I used to listen to music from Italian and American music from the 60s and 70s. I was also in my school chorus, which I enjoyed a lot.
That's very interesting. I heard you also performed at the X Factor. What's the X Factor and how did that go?
Yes, I did. The X Factor is an Italian pop idol style reality TV show. I won 5th place, which was good, but then I was also offered a recording opportunity.
So that went well.
Sì.
What song are you performing for us this evening?
The song is called Per tutta la vita, which means all my life. It is a love song.
Oh my God, I can't wait to see it.
Thank you.
Mwah! 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 Now we're going for a nice commercial.
See you after that.
We're back from the commercials and Noemi is about to perform right now.
Di Calvetti Ciappelli per tutta la vita. Dirige l'orchestra il maestro Diego Calvetti. Canta Noemi. Buonasera.
Tutta la vita andare avanti, cercare i tuoi occhi negli occhi degli altri, far finta di niente, finta che oggi sia un giorno normale. Un anno che passa, un anno in salita, che senso di vuoto, che brutta ferita, chiusa da te, da me, da quello che non ti ho dato. Per tutta la vita cercare un appiglio, l'autunno che passa, ma forse sto meglio trovarsi per caso in un bar del centro e sentirsi speciale. Ma l'amore è d'estato, l'amore è confuso, tu non ma io non ti perdono, delusa da te, da me, da quello che non ti ho dato mai.
Bravissimo! That was outstanding. I don't even have any words to say for that. Good job.
Grazie.
Bye. Mwah.